Hey guys, welcome to another update. Today is the 30th of March and I wanted to give you an update of the status of the house in Membley. So currently the structure is done. That means the walling, the window frames and the parapet wall, they're all done. Currently ongoing is the plumbing works and other finishing works that will start later on. From this view, you're able to appreciate the front of the house. You can see how the front looks like. Over here, we have this huge main window feature, this huge window frame extending from the ground floor, from the lobby, or rather the lounge, all the way to the master bedroom at the top. And over here, this is the main door, the main steel door with some CNC design done to it to give out this floral pattern. Over here, we have the bathrooms for the main toilet and for the guest bedroom. At the top, you're able to appreciate the steel grill with some CNC done to it as well. This is for the master bedroom balcony. Now, this is the left side view of this house, and you can see how expansive this house is. Right over here, we have the main door leading into the guest bedroom. Over here at the bottom, we have an outside store area that is beneath the staircase. So the client will be able to use this space as an outdoor storage area. Right above it, we have another huge window frames extending from the first floor landing all the way to the family room landing of the staircase. So this window frame covers the entire stairwell to give in sufficient natural light to the staircase of this house. And this is actually a huge feature, a huge design feature for this house in Membley. Right over there, we have the walls. You can be able to appreciate that the precast panels on the first floor and the second floor. And on the third floor, we have the stone blocks that were used to build the family room at the top. And right above the family room, we have a slab that will be used to store the water tanks to supply water for this house. This is now the back view of the house. And over here, we are facing the kitchen. And this steel door and window combination that leads into the house's dining room. Right at the top, we have the bedrooms. And at the top, we have the parapet wall where we have some steel grills with the half moon design shape, as you can see over there. So this is now the back of the house, and the plot size is 40 by 60. So there's some space for the outdoor recreation activities that the client will be able to use later on. You remember from my earlier update, these were just cavities cut into the precast panels. Now they are fitted with window frames to fit these particular sizes. So this is what the client has chosen as the window frame design for the dining. And this is how it looks like. This is the dining area, and this is the door leading to the back of the house. Coming this way, we're heading into the kitchen. And it's also a combination of the window, the door, and this small window that gives views of the recreation area, or rather the garden area for this house. Some of you were commenting and asking me why clients prefer this design for their windows, where we have these grills, all these steel grills protecting the window panes on the outside. And that's because here in Kenya, the first aspect when it comes to windows and doors is security. It comes before the design, because people want to feel secure once they build their dream homes. They don't want to leave a part out, or they don't want to feel insecure because their windows are left exposed. So that's why we have all these grills, primarily due to security. Here at the staircase, we have the side rail installed, extending all the way to the family room at the rooftop balcony. So let's head to the rooftop balcony, where they are currently doing the leveling of the floor. So this is the family room right at the rooftop balcony of this house. It can be used as a separate bedroom, but I think the client chose this to be the family room, so they'll put TVs over here and enjoy the recreation. Another feature about this house is the use of L-shaped windows. As you can see over here, this is an L-shaped window frame, and it's part of the design of this house. Part of the parapet walls design is the use of this semicircular steel grill. It gives off a half moon design, and it's been used at the back and at the front of the parapet wall of this house. So it's part of the design feature to create something interesting, something unique to this parapet wall, which, as you can see, has been built using stone blocks, which will be plastered later on for a finer finish later. So over here, the floor is being done, the final layer, which will help in the flowing of rainwater to the particular exit points located around this balcony. So as you can see, George is creating that final layer of the floor, and I don't know what the client will use later on, maybe terrazzo or tiles, but this process has to be done first to create the level so that rainwater can flow out smoothly. According to the main contractor, the cost of the structure up to this point is 6 million Kenyan shillings. That includes the cost of the foundation, the frame structure, the 2 suspended slabs for the first floor and the rooftop balcony, the walling, the steel window frames and doors. So that's the rough cost of the structure, and what's left is doing the finishing. So that comes later on, and I'll give you an update when that time comes.